Hello everyone, today we're going to be playing Angry Bird Transformation or Transformers, yeah. So today is part 2 of playing it, so let's get into it. Okay, we're going to defeat these bad boy. Okay, uh, defeat, transform, yeah, towers. Look at the transformation of the car is very nice. We have 185 coins. There is our rescue helicopter. There we go. We beat the first level. Finished. We defeat 27 enemies and earned like 247 coins. That's a lot. Let's get into it. Upgrade the new Bumblebee one. This was, I think we like unlocked this in the yesterday's video. So, do I have enough? Yes, I do. Let's do it. Okay, upgrading. Let's go. Optimus Prime. Red Optimus Prime. Upgrade. 10. Okay. Wait, why am I upgrading him? I thought I was upgrading the other one. I'll leave it. Let's go and upgrade the this one. One gem or one crystal. Okay. Ooh, he got a hand upgrade. That's nice. Look at he can shoot. It's 30. Oh, please. Ooh, the side guard upgraded for the vehicle. That's awesome. What's this? Let's go to him. Let's upgrade the Bumblebee. Ooh, look at the front. It looks so cool now. The front. Ooh, I don't have enough. What's this? Crystal to upgrade. Oh, bunch of pool shrimp. Let's go back. Rank 7, sorry. Why did I say 7? No, I don't want to download. Let's play. Boom, our ship is a trainer. Look at the upgrade. Let's defeat them. We're defeating them easily. Ooh, what's that look? Defeat. Look our ship. Why am I missing so much? Wait, okay, great. No! One. I missed one. I missed two. I missed three. Yo, what the heck? My aim is so bad now today. Yesterday we like in the last episode we did not miss anything. 31 and 388 coins. I guess it's good. Oh, what did I unlock? Wait, did I unlock another? Wait, is it a friend or a foe? What? What the heck did I? What? What is? Ooh, look at the car, yo! I like his car. I think this is a friend because he is helping us to defeat the grumpy pigs or what those are. I don't know. I really don't know the names of them, you know. Okay, transform. Look at the sick car. Look, our plane. So this is a friend because the plane is coming. But we have to see until the end because this is a friend. So that's great. That's great. Let's go look at the friend. Yo, he looks so cool. The reason why I tell him he is ooh, it's a manga. Soundwave. Let's go to upgrade. He can team up. Let's do, yeah, the second option, whoever that is. Okay.
Oh, sounding.
Oh, what's this?
Yo.
Yo, who the heck is this?
Hey.
Hey, who are you? Hey. Okay, we cannot defeat him. Wait, is he
Go,
help?
go, go, go,
Oh,
go.
yeah, so he is a pal. Oh, go, 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 go. Oh,
That's a cool ability.
wait, why did he leave? So, this is a cool ability. Very cool ability. I wonder what the other ability was. The one I did not get to use. Uh, can we still use it though?
Oh no.
There is a ship going. Oh no,
Can
come
you
on.
give me another
Oh yeah,
ability?
that was a close one. I almost got ran over.
Sick as well.
Or squids. Twist.
Boom. The two
Boom, let's
degrees.
go. There we go.
Skip boost.
20 enemies. Okay. Do you want to thank Rose? Yeah, sure, why not? He did help us a lot, you know.
Upgrades.
There we go.
Can I use
Can I upgrade?
Yes,
Oh,
also
yeah, we
upgrade.
can. So
There is a second ability too. Yes.
let's
It
upgrade
keeps
all.
running.
Okay. So he's upgrading. Let's go to upgrade. Why did I go back? I don't know. Please. It's oh, one gem, so that's not that much. Side upgrade. The part where that's, I think, a part of his hand. 30, yo, okay. Ooh,
Let's go.
look at his. I think it was silver like few minutes ago, but no.
Rank 10.
Now it's yellow.
All of
It's
the accessory.
rank 10. What? Okay. Quest. A lot of quest. Like
Okay,
a lot of
the
quest. Okay.
Optimus Prime.
Um.
Okay, guys, so
Ooh. Yeah, this is the new one. So this is the other one we did not get to use. This was the other ability. Okay. Ooh. We can now auto
it's a
defeat them. So.
Megabot.
Yo. It's like a Titan. Yo. What the heck?
Yeah. Oh,
Wait.
transforms.
I want to see his transformation.
Oh no.
Oh.
Aimbot now.
Cannot transform. But this is a sick. You can like defeating then I can chillax. You know.
It's time to
Let's
switch.
defeat all of these.
It's good to have the aimbot. Ooh, you can
Okay.
chillax and you can
There
do
we go.
everything.
Summon him again. Boom. Transformation. Like look at this sick combo. I can just rest and he can do all the work.
Oh, no.
Boom. Defeat.
Bro, I just missed. Read the back. Yeah, wait. That's all. Bro, yeah, fine. It's okay.
Defeat the fly. Yeah, we defeated the flying.
I have
Bro, why are there so many flying? Okay. Boom. Spawn him again. We just rest. Wait, we are like in 3 or 4 life. Okay. It should be here somewhere. Where it is. There. Bye bye. Look at the egg monster.
Bro, you defeated already.
So Grumpy Pig transform. Grumpy Pig has a very low, slow cooldown. Like look at this. He has to charge like a lot. This is very guys. Check it out. Bye.